Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning and subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So people are tired of Cyan fighting with people, and at this point you can safely say she needs therapy because she looks like someone with anger issues. So Cyan went to Groove and met up with a girl named Tamara, and they ended up fighting. It was their first time chilling together and it didn't end well. So Sima also commented on the post and she said shame because she has been there with Cyan. Tamara refused to fight back because she has a reputation to protect, and she also doesn't want to disclose the reason for them fighting. People are saying Tamara is so sweet and we wonder why she was fighting with Cyan. I think we all know by now, if you fight with Cyan, you should avoid going to Midrand police station because they now know her there and your case will not go anywhere. When is she going to grow up and leave all this messy? I'm sure she can fight a man, this one. And we thought these days she's been behaving canty. She's still fighting people. So I don't know what you guys think, but at this moment, I think she needs to just go for therapy and resolve whatever makes her angry. Because you can't meet a person first time you beat her like that. Let me know what you guys think about Cyan.